Hi everyone! Now it's workbook time! This time we are answering page 8 of your workbook. Here, you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now, do you remember how to arrange numbers in ascending order? Let's have a short practice. For example, number 1, try to think which number should come first in an ascending order. Try to think of your answer for number 1 and then also for number 2. If you are finished, we can now see the correct answers. So again, we are practicing letter L of your workbook. Here you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. For number 1, the number should start with 846. Remember that ascending order means numbers should be written or in order, starting from the smallest, going to the greatest number. So for this example, the smallest number is 846. Now this is followed by the number 860. The next number should be 864. And this is followed by 906. The next two numbers are 916 and the greatest number is 961. Now let's see the answer for number 2. Now for number 2, if you have to order it using ascending order, you start from the smallest number, which is 508. This is followed by 528. The next number is now 587. The next one should be 728. And the next two numbers are 758 and the greatest number is 782. Now, do you understand how to do ascending order? Let's go to the next practice. For this one, we're still doing letter L. You have to arrange the numbers, this time in descending order. Now, I hope you remember what descending order means. So think of your answer for number 1. And then also answer number 2. Try to think of your answer. If you are now ready, you can see if you got the answers right. So again, we're doing letter L. This time, you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. What does descending order means? Let's see the correct answers for number 1. So here, you have to start with 862. So this means that for descending order, you have to write or order the numbers starting from the greatest number. This is the greatest number for this example, going down to the smallest number. Remember, descending starts with D and D for going down. So the greatest number is 862 and we go down to 806. The next one should be 632. And then going down again to 608. The next number should be 362. And the smallest number is now 326. Let's see the correct answers for the next example. For number 2, the greatest number is 749. This is followed by 729. The next number is 495. And then, going down, we have 415. The next two numbers are 294, and the smallest number is 274. Now, did you get all the answers correct? I do hope that you will remember how to arrange numbers in ascending and descending order. Remember that ascending order starts from smallest to greatest, and here, descending order starts from greatest going down to the smallest number. The next part of our practice is for your textbook. This is the practice page on page 17. So if you have the time to review or answer your textbook, you can use this part of our video. Again, this is for page 17 of your textbook. It says practice. Now here we have to look at the numbers given and think which are even numbers and which are odd numbers. If you remember, this is the last part of the lesson that we just had. So we already reviewed about even numbers and odd numbers. So this time, it's time to practice if you understood that part of the lesson. So you are given 12 numbers, and you have to think which of them are even and which of them are odd. Try to think of your answer. If you are ready, we can now see the correct answers. So we have to group these numbers into even numbers or odd numbers. Now if you remember from our lesson, all even numbers come in pairs. And odd numbers, not all of them come in pairs. So for even numbers, they always end in the ones place. Even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So let's see which ones are even numbers here. First one is 908. This has the number 8 in the ones place. The next is 426 with number 6 in the ones place. Next one is 80. This one has 0 in the ones place. Next one is 314. This number ends with number 4. And then you have 264, also ending with the number 4. And the last one is 1000. 1000 has the number 0 in the ones place. Now how about odd numbers? If you remember from what we have studied, odd numbers are the ones that end or have the numbers in the ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. The first odd number is 147. This is ending or it has number 7 in the ones place. The next is 71. This has number 1 in the ones place. The next is 635. This number ends with number 5 or it has number 5 in the ones place. Next number is 579. It has number 9 in the ones place. The next one is 15, ending with number 5. And the last one is 793, ending with number 3. Again, even numbers come in pairs and they end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And for odd numbers, not all of them are in pairs. So they end or they have in the ones place the number 1, number 3, number 5, number 7, and number 9. I hope that you will remember the parts of the lessons that we have practiced from this video. So we will end our lesson here. I hope to see you next time on our next lesson. Try to keep on practicing whenever you have the time. And I hope that you will stay safe and healthy with your whole family. Take care and have a good day.